Good morning, little Axie. The sun is shining bright. He opens up his sleepy eyes and smiles at morning light. Rise and shine, it's time to play. Breakfast makes you strong today. With a giggle and a cheer, magic fun is always near. Axie eats his tasty meal, ready for the day to start. Jumping high with happy feels, adventure fills his heart. Final, it's time to play, ready for the day to start. Jumping high with happy feels, adventure fills his heart. Rise and shine, it's time to play. Axie's ready for the day. With his friends he'll laugh and sing. Morning brings a magical spring.